Hello, everybody. How's it going? Welcome to Model Camp. I am Coco Rocha, and I'm proud to be the newly appointed Global Director of Education for Elite Model Look. Let's start posing. I want to see what you do. If you were starting to shoot right this second. So everyone step back, so music on, and we pose, 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 pose. Good job, you passed the first test. However, some of you were still trying to touch the computer, okay? The whole purpose of our job is to constantly give different shapes, different ideas. I want everyone in this next practice to just move those shoulders and start feeling how your entire body will follow. Everyone up, stand back from your computer. So all these little things we've been teaching you is just simple things to help you evolve the pose and change it throughout the day. And now we are officially starting Runway. Difficult to do virtually, but we're going to get a lot of the basics down. A good, clean, solid walk with a good presence, confidence, and shoulders back. So let's practice. Here we go.
Social media and like the modeling world is like two separate worlds right now, I guess. Do you have any like tips of helping to maybe merge the two worlds together?
Here's the thing, the industry, you'd think that they would be like, no, social media, it's amazing, it's the future, but still to this day, it's old-fashioned. If it wasn't their idea, it's not a good idea. Lean into what they're used to and comfortable, and also continue the way that is the future. But influencers, social media is the future. Your content does not always have to be a legit job. Making content, making noise so that people are like, hey, she's around, he's around, let's work with them. Just being from where you are in your land, in your country, your city, state. Someone looks at you and goes, oh my goodness, I want to do something better for myself because, wow, they're amazing, right? That should be your ultimate goal. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. This has been a lot of fun. I hope you had fun. Be safe and enjoy the rest of Elite Model Look. Bye.
Thank you, Coco.
Thank you.
Thank you, James.
Bye.